Hey everyone, my name is Lance Dowdle, and today I'll be walking you through how to go from completely siloed data all the way through to full AI. So stick around, check it out.
Most organizations are facing challenges in collaboration, execution, and measurement of their business goals due to siloed data. Now, while data is the new oil for businesses, becoming a data-driven organization requires overcoming these data silos. This data-driven approach corresponds to integrating all the data sources and making them available across the organization. The process of analyzing the data is as follows. Step 1, the data scattered across is collected from all the sources and is structured and analyzed using Vertex Ai. Step 2 is that result of the analysis is achieved in BigQuery. And step 3, Data Studio or Google Sheets can be used as the reporting medium. Let me give you an example of this. Manufacturing industries can use their data to predict the number of packaging boxes that will be required to pack the product, or in case of an automotive industry, they can use their data silos to predict the lifetime of the parts they're manufacturing and much more. That's everything from my side. Talk to our experts to know more about the benefits of AI, and stay tuned for the next episode.